In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download and install NeoForge, which is a mod loader for Minecraft 1.21.6. If this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe. Firstly, if you have Minecraft open, go ahead and close it. And yes, this does include the launcher. Go ahead and open up a browser of your choice and then type in NeoForge Minecraft. You're going to want to go to the official site, which is neoforge.net. And on this page, go ahead and look for this option that does say for other versions. Click on the thing that says go to version list and look for Minecraft version 1.21.6 and then hit download. To do this, you just need to go ahead and click on this option right here, by the way. When it downloads, it should look something like this. Next, go ahead and head to curseforge.com. And what you're going to want to do is actually go ahead and click on Minecraft and then go to browse all. And scroll down a little bit until you see the option for mod loaders and tick on NeoForge, and then for the game version, select 1.21.6. From here, you could pick a mod. It doesn't really matter what you choose. I'm going to go ahead and select this minimap mod right here. Go ahead and hit download, and then in 5 seconds, it's going to automatically start that download for you up at the top. As you can see, it just downloaded for me. Now from here, just go ahead and open up your downloads, find that installer and just click on it. And if it doesn't open up and look something like this for you, you're going to want to go ahead and head to java.com and download the latest version, install it like any other normal program, and then right click on that same file from earlier and tap open with Java. Now when you load the NeoForge installer, simply go ahead and hit install client. Hit proceed just like so, and it's going to look something like this. Now, depending on your internet speed, it might take a little bit of time, so just keep that in mind, but wait for it to download. When it downloads for you, it should look something like this. Go ahead and hit OK, and then now you're going to want to go ahead and load up that Minecraft launcher. From here, go ahead and make sure NeoForge is selected in your versions here. Hit installations and find that same NeoForge from earlier. Go ahead and click on the installations folder just like so, and look for the mods tab just like that. And what you're going to want to do in this section is actually open up another version of File Explorer and actually download that mod and actually drag that mod that you downloaded earlier into here. So it should look something like this for you. Go ahead and close both of these. Go back to the Minecraft launcher once again, ensure that NeoForge is here and hit play. It might pop up with a pop-up that looks like this. Go ahead and tick I understand and hit play again. And it's going to load you into Minecraft. Now, it should look something like this if you've done it correctly. You should see a mods tab down here. If you click on this, you'll see whatever mods you have installed. So as you can see, it says NeoForge, the minimap one in here. And just like that, I'm good to go. I can load into whatever world I want. And as you can see, it's actually going to have that minimap up in the top left for me, showing that I've actually done this correctly. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day.